earthquakes come from?
What was that?
I don't know. We should go check it out.
What is that thing? I don't know, but it came off of the ground land. I don't know what it is. It's looking at you, brother. Oh, it's not. I'm looking the other way. Well, yeah, I am pretty much looking at you. You can talk? Yeah. Just like you rubber duck, I can talk. That's impossible. Nope, not at all. You see, ducks, when I'm moving, that means I'm real and I can talk. But you can talk too. But the sad part is that you guys usually stay in one spot. Also like him. And that robin over there. So, I am real, but you guys just never notice it. What is this thing, you guys? I don't know what it is, but it kind of looks like a very ugly monkey.
Yeah, tell me that. Oh, it's so soft.
Wait a minute. What is that thing over there?
It's a hand. It's another hand.
Right there, too. It's bending.
You're not the real hand.
All hands connect to a body, like me. I connect to this body right here. This hand connects to this body. So, and we can control ourselves sometimes. So, what are you? Well, I'm a monkey, of course. Well, your hands are really soft to move. You're pretty big for a hand. What do you say? I say you take this as a compliment. Kind of do. But so, how is he real? I don't know. I don't know either. Neither do I. You're upside down. Yeah, I know. That's because you're looking upside down. Oh. Well, what's that noise? What the heck is that? It's a bear. But instead, it's called Pooh Bear. Kind of like you got pooed on. So, what happened? Did you get shat on by a bee? No, the reason why I'm yellow is because I like honey.
That doesn't make any sense.
But it will. We sit forward.
Wait, what's that other noise? It's another one of them. It's another one. These things that tickles.
Let me see if they're real with echolocation. Yep, they're definitely real. How is that even possible? Like, I've never seen a real stuffed animal like that. I haven't either, but now we have. We're very friendly. Yeah. You guys look like a fun bunch. But these are where earthquakes come from. This is called Earth. I'm Quake. And this little guy is right down my back. See, we're all a family. Even you, like Green Duck. What's your name? I don't really have a name. Okay, I'll just call you Green Duck. Blue Duck. And Robin. See, like, we're all the same. It's just we have all different personalities and different interests. I hope you all understand. Yeah. Yeah. Well, we'll just hang out over here. We will be right here for now, since you guys are kind of getting used to it. And Monkey can have some company with Robin and you guys. And me and him can hang out. Yeah, so now that you know where earthquakes come from, this has been a very fun experience. Wow.